Today, we're tackling a pesky issue that many of you have encountered: getting rid of Yahoo search from your Chrome browser. Stick around, and I'll show you how it's done. Step 1. Access Chrome settings. First, open up your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three dots to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Step 2. Manage search engines. Now let's manage our search engines. Scroll down to Search Engine and click on Manage Search Engines. Step 3. Remove Yahoo. Search. Here's where the magic happens. Find Yahoo Search in the list of search engines. Hover over it and click the three dots that appear. Select Remove from List. Step 4. Set default search engine. To prevent Yahoo Search from sneaking back in, set your preferred search engine as the default. Click on the three dots next to your chosen search engine and select Make Default. Conclusion. And there you have a quick and easy way to kick Yahoo Search to the curb and keep your Chrome experience Yahoo free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time.